Hey guys, welcome back to McArthur Industries. Just in here at AllBrand Caravan Services. Got young Carlos behind me doing a bit of work, so we're trying to keep him going a day while we're going, trying to get this on a bit of a job timeline. So guys, just some stuff that we want to bring up in advance, and we know this is something that we don't want to happen to our caravans, but something that does come up in a bit of a regular stance where people end up with shorts in their wiring between 240 volt or 12 volt wiring. So this client here, lucky enough the client owns this van, great guy, gone through and he is a 240 volt electrician, and he's gone through and found himself in a position where he's had a short in his van on his 240 volt wiring. So he's come to us to do more of the panel damage side of things, where we've had to go in, remove some of the paneling so we can get some new wiring run through it for him, get stuff sorted for him so he can come through and make sure it's all right. So what we're just trying to say, if you're finding you're getting anything internally where you're having some shorts, problem we've got in the caravan sector is sometimes we need to go and start to remove paneling. So it can be quite a large job. Other times we've been lucky enough for this gentleman here where we haven't had to remove the complete rear of his caravan and the whole side of his caravan, where we've been able to work with him. Okay, it's taken a little bit more labour to try and do that, but what it's done is saved on product. So we've probably saved ourselves in about $3,000 or $4,000 worth of product, and we've probably spent an extra $500 in labour. So that makes a big difference. So we like to work with our clients to try and get the best opportunity to make this happen. So any of this sort of work, if you've got any RV electrics and anything you need to do with the electric side of things, come down and see us at AllBrand Caravan Services. We're here to help. Any comments down below? If there's something you're thinking about you need done, put it down below and we'll come back to you. Have a great day and speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye.